Question: what do you think of coding? For me, coding is like an unknown little monster. It's extremely mathematical, logical structure, boring, and most importantly, it's very hard. But things are changing.
I had the perception that I think many people may have was that like, oh, that's too difficult. Like, I can't do that. You have to be like a math wizard, all that stuff. I think a lot of people can relate to that feeling. I didn't write my first line of code till I was 33 years old, 36 now. So I'm going to say no, it's never too late to get started. But we're going to dive into that more in a bit.
I use JavaScript and Python. I don't think CS is hard at the beginner stage. Like, it's really easy to get started. And it's cool to create things.
In 21st century, the world is swimming with computers, mobile phones, and massive amounts of data generated from every aspect of the world. And it's accelerating the digital evolving by integrating more brand new technologies such as machine learning, vision computing, blockchain, and LOD system. The digital progress and disruption make coding a universal language that helps us to understand the world, to talk to machines, communicate with data, and even get along with next-gen kids, since they will become the first generation who would be born and grow up with artificial intelligence. And I bet that you don't prefer to look like this.
You know nothing, Jon Snow.
Okay, let's get started. But it's still not easy to begin. Most of the textbooks and courses start with theoretical concepts and very detailed syntax. You don't know what you're building, letting alone having fun with it. So why don't we start in a totally different way to have some fun first? Hopscotch is a coding app that is designed for everyone. You can build a game by watching the tutorials that teach you more than 10 different small games, and you can also make games from your own scratch. Instead of learning concepts and rules, you can quickly get hands on some interest-level games to start with. Hopscotch has 4 major coding module sections. By using these modules, you can get a basic understanding on how codes combine and work. Even if you did some codes or sequences wrong, it's easy to adjust and make your codes work. After you've done your own little game, you can share it in the community. It's pretty impressive to see how creative people can be on coding. It's never late to start coding, and Hopscotch can make you start with happiness and joy.